My carrot cake is full of sweet spring carrots and mixed beans that adds the perfect crunch. It's delicious on its own, but I love topping it with a sweet and tangy cream cheese frosting to make it extra special. And the best part is it's gluten-free. Let's get started. Grease your cake mold and line it with the parchment paper. Next, prepare the carrot. I use the julienne peeler, but the box grater works too. Carrot strips should be about 1 to 1.5 inches long. If they are too fine, they'll lose their texture and release too much moisture, which can make the cake soggy and take longer to bake. Preheat your oven to 170 degrees Celsius, 340 degrees Fahrenheit. Once your ingredients are ready, the rest is easy. In a mixing bowl, combine the vegetable oil and sugar and mix well. Add the eggs one at a time, mixing thoroughly after each addition until the mixture is fully emulsified. Whisk in the cinnamon, salt, and vanilla. Next, add the rice flour and baking powder. Mix until the batter becomes slightly sticky. And don't worry, rice flour is gluten-free, so there's no need to worry about the over-mixing. And it doesn't clump, so you can skip sifting. Now add the carrot, coconut, rum-soaked raisins, and lightly crushed pecans. Mix until everything is well combined. It may look like a lot of carrot, but once it's baked, the balance will be just right. Pour the batter into your prepared mold and bake for 40 to 45 minutes. It's done when the surface is golden and spring back when pressed, and the skewer inserted in the center comes out clean. And let it cool on a wire rack. While the cake cools, make the frosting. In a food processor, blend the cream cheese until smooth. Add the powdered sugar and blend again, scrape down the sides as needed. Add a little vanilla and lemon juice for flavor and blend until creamy and smooth. Once the cake has cooled completely, spread the frosting over the top. You can finish it with crushed walnut or shredded coconut if you'd like. I love it at room temperature, but it's also great chilled. The cake is moist and crunchy, with all the texture and flavors coming together so beautifully. Even though it's made with rice flour, you'd never guess. It holds together so perfectly. And the cream cheese frosting is silky smooth and not too sweet, making it a perfect match. Enjoy it with a cup of coffee or even for a breakfast. It's not too sweet, so it works any time of the day. You can also double the recipe and make it into a layer cake for the special occasion. Enjoy your weekend baking project! Thank you for watching the video. Give me a big thumbs up and share the video with your friends and families, and consider subscribing if you don't want to miss any of my new videos. And follow me on the social media and tag me on your post if you give it a try. And join my happy eating group to share your food with me. And my store on Amazon has pretty much everything that I'm using in my video. And for more information, visit my website, princessbamboo.com. Thanks again, and I will see you soon. Bye!